To use Lyft Credit, you first need to have a Lyft account and some credit in your account. You can add credit to your account by going to the payment section in the Lyft app and selecting Add Credit. You can add credit using a credit or debit card. Once you have credit in your account, you can use it to pay for your Lyft rides. To do this, simply request a ride as you normally would, and when you get to the payment screen, select Lyft Credit as your payment method. The credit will be applied to your ride and you will not be charged any additional fees. It is also important to note that Lyft Credit can be used for all types of Lyft rides, including Lyft Line and luxury rides. However, it cannot be used for tips or other additional fees. To check your Lyft credit balance, open the Lyft app and go to the payment section. Your current balance will be displayed at the top of the screen. You can also view your ride history and see how much credit you used for each ride. When using Lyft Credit, it is a good idea to make sure you have enough credit in your account to cover the full cost of your ride. If you do not have enough credit, you will be prompted to add more credit or use a different payment method. By following these steps, you can easily use your Lyft Credit to pay for your rides and make your transportation experience more convenient and affordable.